Alright guys, we're out at day one Buffalo Gap Flea Market for August. We're going to go through and see what all we got set up today. I've got a couple of spotters down there. This is the lodge table. We've got some 8 SKs, 10 SKs, 12 SK, 14 SK. I've got a set of the bold over there. Got some older ones here. Got a dolly, a bear, a Texas one back there, a couple of the whitetails, Yellowstone. Got some La Crusade. Got our Griswolds and our Wapaks along here. Now over here's more Wagner. We've got the squares, then we've got some 7s and 8s, and then some 5s, 6s, 3s. There's another, or there's a National. There's a breakfast skillet. And then over here we've got a couple of just the raised number 7 and 8s. Then we've just got some assorted stuff, and then we get run into some of the bigger skillets. We got some Red Mountain 10s, some unmarked Wagner. There's a big Century 12. There's 3 10s. And then we've got some of our camp ovens down here. And then we'll slide over here. There's some Red Mountain 7s. And then on the rack is just a load of, starts out with Century and then goes Red Mountain, then goes Lodge, and then goes Wagner, all the way down into right about here, and then it goes to size 7s. So it's all 8s and 7s. A couple grill pans, a spittoon. I've got my little $10 and $5 bargain bins. Then we'll come over here, just got some assorted stuff along here. Got a little saucepan. Got a really cool, it's a burger press, but it's a commercial one. You lift that up, kicks over, and you just plop it down there and bam, make it. And then a Volrath Wedge Master, and then all of our baking stuff. Got some round griddles, and then we go over to our Dutch ovens and our fryers. We've got a couple there, and then we move up in size. We got some 12s. And then we run to some of the older ones. And we got that monster 12 there. And we got some griddles. And that's it, guys. I hope everybody has a great day.